I came across this niche that will blow your mind on how viral their videos get. The best part is that anyone can get started from anywhere in the world. Let's take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 8 videos and has gained 179,000 subscribers. Out of these 8 videos, 4 of them have more than 1 million views. This channel is getting attraction due to their strategy and good script. I did some research, and now I'm going to teach you how to start a channel like this with $0. Not only that, I'm going to give you all the tips and secret methods that all the other gurus are hiding from you for free. So in today's video, I'm going to break it down into 4 parts. You can choose to skip a part, but I recommend not to, because each part is crucial. Some parts I will be sharing secrets to help you grow. Let me reveal the 4 chapters we are going to work on today's video. Many new creators ignore some of these steps which make them fail in the process.
The first step we're going to start with is channel branding.
So, just follow these steps exactly like I do.
The first thing you should have is a Gmail account. Make sure the Gmail account is old, but if you don't an old account, you can open a new one, but don't start posting right away. Watch videos, share, or even comment so that you can warm up the account. The reason for this is people use bots to upload their videos, and YouTube don't like it, so you will be shadow banned. YouTube likes high-quality videos with deep information so that they keep their viewers entertained. So now the YouTube algorithm is always aware of these bots. As soon as they detect that your channel is created using a new email that has the sole purpose of uploading videos to YouTube, the algorithm is going to identify your channel as a bot.
Okay, let me simply explain what this niche is about. This channel makes videos about fascinating things in history. But the main difference from other channels is that their script writing is so good that you will be hooked to their videos till the end. Just wait, you will learn how to make such scripts in just a few minutes. So you need to find a name, create a description, and make a logo and a banner for your channel. My recommendation is not just to stick to history. Make videos about something extraordinary like Earth, space, or you can focus on all these categories with one channel. ChatGPT is going to help you find a name and description for your channel. It's really simple, and using the Canva free version, you can easily create a logo and a banner. No need to spend hours of your time for such things. Once you are done with that, there are small, important things you need to do, which small creators tend to ignore. Go to YouTube Studio and select this settings option. Here you need to go to the Channel tab. Make sure to select your country. And here you need to add keywords relevant to your channel and niche. You can always use ChatGPT to generate keywords for your niche. The reason this is important is that as soon as you create a channel, YouTube doesn't have enough data about you, so it cannot identify your target audience until you upload several videos. After that, go to the feature eligibility option and you need to verify your phone number. These are small things that a lot of you guys can miss, but these are super important. When it comes to content creation, the first thing that you must do is find at least 10 video ideas. Once you start to upload, you need to be consistent. If not, you can't reach your goal. So, your target is to upload at least 10 videos within the next 30 days. For that, you need to find video topics, go to your competitors, and make a list of their top performing videos. These are some channels you're going to need to check. And guys, we are not going to copy these video topics exactly as they are, because it's unethical and copyright violation. And most importantly, we can't be unique and successful if we copy other videos entirely. If you want to stand out more and create a good audience around your channel needs to be unique. So you need to change these viral topic ideas. For that, you can use ChatGPT. Just ask it to make a unique version of these topics. You can also use ChatGPT to find the newest video ideas. Use this prompt. This prompt is a detailed and effective way to tell ChatGPT that we need viral video ideas. Let's move on to the next step. Script is the most important part in your video. It doesn't matter how good your visuals are. If you have a boring, mediocre script, you can't compete with other videos. YouTube is actually a competition. There are 2 parts in this competition. The first part is to get viewers to select your video from other videos. That's why you need an interesting title and catchy title and thumbnail. So that's the first level. Once you pass that and get some viewers to click on your video, the next level starts. Now in this level, your job is to keep your viewers till the end. Here's the thing. You can't force your viewers to watch your videos fully, right? And that's where the script writing is important. A lot of successful YouTubers use psychology when they create their scripts. And this applies to all the niches. The next important thing is what you promise in your title should be fulfilled in your video, so as your audience will watch your video until the end. Because if you don't, your viewers will leave your video and you will have bad retention rate. And the YouTube's algorithm will stop recommending your video to new audiences. So the question is, how can we create a killer AI script? Simple answer is, we are going to use ChatGPT. But you need a clear formula to make such a script. And it can't be 100% AI generated, which means once you generate the script, you need to change it a little bit. So after studying hundreds of videos under this niche, I finally created a formula that you can use to make a killer script. All you need to do is feed this formula to ChatGPT. Just ask it to analyze this formula exactly as it is and create a script based on this formula for your given video topic. Once you generate the script, make sure to read it and just change it a little bit so that it won't be 100% AI generated. Now the next step is simple. It's to find an AI voice to narrate your story. You can use tools like DupDub AI, which has a 3-day free trial period, or 11 Labs. It also has free 10,000 credits. When it comes to selecting an AI voice, make sure to use a young and energetic voice similar to this example.
Hey, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe.
Now moving on to our next step is creating visuals. Now, I'm going to give you a specific prompt. Using this prompt, you can easily generate such images using Nano Banana. I'm going to enter this prompt. And here, I'm going to include the details of the character that I'm going to use in my video. So head back to ChatGPT and copy the title of your heading and paste it on this prompt. Here's the image that Nano Banana generated. Looks good to me? It goes with the vibe of the topic I chose. You can use any other AI image generator of your choice, like Leonardo AI, Kling AI, or also ChatGPT. Once you are done with the visuals, we are moving to the editing part. We are going to use CapCut free version to edit our video. I won't do a step-by-step process, because these types of video requires minimal editing process. You will need to use some assets like sound effects and video clips. For sound effects, you can use Pixabay. For stock videos and animation, you can use Pixels and Vectisy. And for background music, use the YouTube audio library. All these websites are free to use. Creating thumbnails for this niche is super easy, but you have to stick with the same style for every video. And that's the method all of these channels are following. As I mentioned earlier, the thumbnail and the title of your video are the first things that your viewers are going to see. If your thumbnail doesn't match your title, that's going to be a problem. First, let's head over to Canva. You need to select this custom size option and create a new project. The width should be 1920 pixels, and the height is 1080 pixels. Then I'm going to go to this upload and upload those two images. Then I added those two images like this. Since these images have a white background, you don't need to remove the background. Finally, I'm going to add a text layer and add something like, "When patience becomes your weapon." That's all. Next, I'm going to head over to Effects and choose the effects you want. I'm going to go with Outline. Change the font color to red to match the revenge vibe. Now this thumbnail perfectly matches the title. When you're uploading the videos, make sure to rename the video file as the title and include as many keywords as possible in it, because this metadata is going to help the YouTube algorithm promote your video. And guys, with that, we have come to the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below which topics you would like me to cover. And for that, see you in the next one.